Okay, but anyway, I'm about to move my car and we're about to head to the day party. It's freaking homecoming. It's homecoming, y'all. Oh boy, here we go. Brianna, you gotta let me get in the back seat. Oh my gosh, my shoes just got wet. Oh, I just stepped in a puddle. I'm so pissed.
S-U. All right.
Y'all, shout out to Walgreens. They have like everything I need and more. So I'm gonna go ahead and get what I need because y'all, hey y'all, so I am on my way to the Airbnb. As you can see, I already am dressed for the day party. And when I tell y'all this rain is kind of killing my vibe just a little bit. But it's all good. As I was trying to say, we're gonna have a great time. It's homecoming, like literally rain or sunshine. It's freaking homecoming and we're gonna have a great time. Okay, y'all, so the Airbnb is not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It's really not. The music is definitely hitting. We're just waiting for everyone to get dressed. I'll take you guys through a tour later because we're about to take some shots. We do it because you do it. No, let's practice. Yeah, we'll be back. But not bad at all. The Rock, I like it. Endorse me. All right. Endorse me. I like it, man. Okay, y'all, so we are on our way to the day party. I'm getting ready to move my car. Sorry, I'm burping because, okay. But anyway, I'm about to move my car and we're about to head to the day party. It's freaking homecoming. It's homecoming, y'all. Oh boy, here we go. I think Brianna forgot something, so she'll be back. There's Kalia. Hey, y'all. We are officially off though. Kalia, you did a really good job backing in.
Thank you.
You did really good. I am so proud of you. Why are you eating crumbs? We're not in college no more. Definitely giving big Chloe vibes though with the chain. It's the chain for me.
They glow. Who is that?
Close.
Play through it. Okay. Chill out. Okay.
Now you can guess who's taking the shot. Look at the back, right there.
Okay, so y'all, did you think the party was fun? We are too old for this. Brianna, you gotta let me get in the back seat. Oh my gosh, my shoes just got wet. Oh, I just stepped in a puddle. I'm so pissed. Kalia, why can't we get food first?
Because the store is closed.
I feel like this is not fair.
Well, look up a food place.
I was gonna look up Cookout. I feel like this is friend abuse. Like, you're really not gonna go to.
It's a lesson.
You're really gonna put the ABC store. This comes before
Do
food.
you remember that, Chloe?
What?
When you took us on a wild chase to find that baseball player man.
No, wait, y'all. What are y'all talking about? What baseball?
We was
Y'all talking about? Good night, Brianna. Good night. Okay, y'all, this is day 2. And I am not feeling the day party. Like, I don't want to go. Especially because it's at Secrets. Like, that's the only real reason I don't want to go. I feel like Secrets is so, like, 2013. Y'all, Kalia's being so strong. I'm so proud of her.
I'm trying.
Because she really wants to take a nap.
I really want to take a nap. Like, I want to sleep.
I'm going to sleep while y'all are gone.
I said what I said. So anyway. Exactly. Please. I just took it. Don't be a butt.
Here we go. To you all having a great time at the day party.
Travel with one.
Goodbye, doll. You're gonna do
Bye.
great. You're gonna be
We'll be back real
amazing.
soon.
You're gonna be so cute.
We'll be back real soon.
You look so cute.
Real soon.
I love it.
Real soon.
They look amazing. Bye.
Alright, can you lock the door, please?
2 hours later.
So we decide that we're gonna go to this party. The line is very long.
I did not go to the day
It's
party.
also very somebody. I just want to know. Either way, it's your fault.
DP, you're going down.
Shoot up, doctor. Yeah. Yeah. Then what? Then what? Somebody said S-U. S-U. All right.
Y'all, last night was such a vibe. I didn't record anything. That's how much of a vibe it was. And I'm like, still recovering. We're packing up to leave the Airbnb now. Brianna's packing everything up to leave. Kalia's air mattress is gone now. So this is the kitchen. Those side rooms. Homecoming was a vibe, guys. We had a great time. Vibes. Hi. Hey. Y'all, she isn't here seriously packing. Let's go, girl.
I'm weak.
Bye, girl. Happy homecoming.
Damn, can you get this?
Girl, no.